What if you could save 10 to 20 hours a week and cut thousands of dollars a year in admin costs without hiring, training, or managing a virtual assistant? For many small businesses and freelancers, this AI tool is quietly doing exactly that. Virtual assistants have been a go-to solution for years. On paper, they sound ideal: delegate repetitive tasks, free up your time, and focus on higher value work. But in practice, the math and logistics often don't work out. First, there's cost. Even an entry-level VA typically runs anywhere from $8 to $25 per hour. At just 20 hours per week, that's $640 to $2,000 a month, before taxes, platform fees, or management time. For many small businesses, that's a significant fixed expense. Second, there's onboarding. You don't just hire a VA and forget it. You need to document processes, create SOPs, answer questions, review work, and provide feedback. That's time you're still spending on admin, just in a different form. Third, there's inconsistency. Human assistants get sick, go on vacation, change availability, or leave entirely. When that happens, you're back to hiring, training, and rebuilding workflows from scratch. Finally, there's scalability. As your business grows, your VA workload grows too. More hours means more cost, more coordination, and more complexity. For many small teams and solo operators, virtual assistants solve some problems, but introduce others. This is where AI-based administrative tools come in. Instead of hiring a person, this tool acts as a centralized, always-on digital assistant powered by AI. It integrates with your email, calendar, task manager, and CRM to handle the same core responsibilities a virtual assistant would, without hourly billing or ongoing supervision. You're not replacing strategy, judgment, or decision-making. You're automating execution, the repetitive, rules-based tasks that eat up your day. Let's break down what this AI tool actually does. The tool can read, categorize, and respond to emails based on predefined rules. Client inquiries get tagged and routed. Simple responses, like confirmations, FAQs, or follow-ups, are handled automatically. Important messages are summarized and surfaced for your attention, so you're not digging through an inbox. Instead of manually coordinating availability, the AI connects to your calendar and handles scheduling end-to-end. It sends booking links, confirms meetings, reschedules when needed, and blocks focused time automatically. No back-and-forth emails. Invoices, document organization, data entry, and task updates can all be automated. The AI pulls information from emails or forms and updates your systems in real time. Nothing falls through the cracks. This is one of the biggest value areas. The tool tracks conversations and deadlines, then sends follow-ups automatically. Proposals, unpaid invoices, onboarding steps, handled consistently without you having to remember. Imagine a freelance consultant or small agency owner. In the morning, the AI scans overnight emails. New client inquiries are categorized and sent a polite response with a booking link. Existing clients receive status updates automatically based on project milestones. Throughout the day, meetings are scheduled without manual input. If a client reschedules, the calendar adjusts and sends confirmations instantly. After calls, the AI logs notes, updates tasks, and sets follow-up reminders. If an invoice hasn't been paid after 7 days, the system sends a reminder, professionally and on brand. At the end of the day, you receive a concise summary, new leads, pending actions, and anything requiring your decision. No inbox cleanup, no chasing people, no admin backlog. Pros: lower fixed cost compared to hiring a VA. Works 24/7 with no downtime. Consistent execution of repetitive tasks. Scales without increasing hours or headcount. Reduces cognitive load and context switching. Cons: requires upfront setup and clear rules. Not suitable for subjective or creative decision-making. Limited by the quality of your processes. Still requires occasional oversight and refinement. This isn't magic, it's automation. And like any system, it performs best with clarity and structure. This tool is ideal for solo business owners and freelancers, consultants, coaches, and service providers, small teams without dedicated operations staff, businesses with repeatable admin workflows. If your day is filled with emails, scheduling, follow-ups, and task management, this tool can realistically replace a large portion of a virtual assistant's workload. This tool is not a good fit if you rely heavily on nuanced human judgment. Your workflows change daily with no structure. You need deep relationship management or sales negotiation. You're unwilling to document processes up front. In those cases, a human assistant or a hybrid approach may still make more sense. AI isn't replacing people across the board, but for small businesses drowning in admin, it's becoming a practical alternative to hiring a virtual assistant. If you're looking to reduce costs, reclaim time, and run a more streamlined operation, this type of tool is worth a serious look. There's a link in the description where you can explore how it works and decide if it fits your business. No hype, just a tool doing the work it's designed to do.